Okay, so this is Alison, who's just come back to do her 3rd day on the Permanent Makeup Startup course. So, Alison, you came in a little while ago, because what's your background? Because you don't do beauty at the moment, do you?
No, I had an office job.
Office job.
And I've been not working for 8 years, having kids.
Yeah, so full-time mum.
Yeah, and then just wanted something new.
Wow.
And scary and exciting.
Excellent. And actually, we just caught you now, because you've just done, you've had obviously, did your first couple of days, you've had a little bit of time off to practice, and actually in that time been very productive. So what have you been up to?
Yeah, I've got a clinic sorted.
Yeah.
I've business cards, Instagram business page.
Yeah.
And then I've just been practicing at home loads on skins.
Excellent.
And I feel like I've got better and better, so it's definitely paid off.
Yeah, exactly. And then obviously you've just done your first ever brow client, so
yeah.
we thought we'd just catch you. So how did it go?
Brilliant. It wasn't as scary as I thought it was going to be. I felt quite calm as well.
Yeah.
And just doing it, I don't know, it just fell into place. It was brilliant.
Excellent. And what was the client's reaction?
Yeah, she was really happy. Yeah.
She actually said you were amazing, didn't she?
So it's a bit of a blur.
I remember hearing something along those lines.
Yeah.
Brilliant. So obviously it's paid off all the hard work in the interim period, practicing
yeah.
and getting obviously set up. And have you actually you've also managed to get a few clients sort of lined up, haven't you?
Yeah, I put a thing on Instagram because I've got my clinic sorted.
Yeah.
I need the council to come and visit. They're
Yeah.
coming in a couple of weeks, and I put case studies required on my business Instagram, and I've got 6 or 7 that have said, me please.
Oh, so already? Brilliant.
Yeah.
Excellent. So that's a good start.
Yeah, exciting.
Well, a great morning already, and obviously we've got 2 more clients coming in after lunch, so busy times.
Exciting.
Excellent. Well, enjoy your lunch and we'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Cheers.